Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the safe mode in your Motorola device. Sorry about that. To turn off the safe mode, it's very simple. Just hold the power button or power button and volume up, and now just tap on the restart. And now your Android system in the Motorola should start in the normal mode without safe mode. And as you can see, everything works normally. The Android back in the normal mode. Widgets are fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.